Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add co-host in Google Meet. Do you want to host a Google Meet session and want to share the responsibility? Alright, so adding a co-host is a great way to delegate tasks like managing participants or moderating discussions. So let's go over how you can add co-hosts in Google Meet to make your meeting smooth and organized. Open your browser and navigate to meet.google.com. Join an existing meeting by clicking on enter code or link, and alternatively you can create a new meeting, which is what we're going to do by clicking on new meeting and selecting start and instant meeting, so it takes us to the meeting window properly. So once you're in the meeting, you're ready to add a co-host. In Google Meet, only the original meeting organizer has the ability to add co-host. So make sure you sign in with Google accounts that created the meeting. If you did, you are the host and the option to add co-host to be available. Now in the bottom right corner, go ahead and click on the people tab or the people icon to open the participants list. Now this will show you all participants currently in the meeting. Now find the participant you want to make a co-host. It's just me in this group, but if you have somebody else, you can see all your participants here. Now hover over their name, and once you hover over their name, go ahead and click on the three dots just like this right next to their name. And once you click on the three dots from the menu, go ahead and select add as co-host. The participants you select will now have co-hosting privileges, meaning they can manage the meeting, remove participants, mute attendees, and more. Once added, your co-host can do a couple of things, which I'm going to walk you through. The co-host can mute or unmute participants. Your co-host can remove participants. Your co-host can admit people from the waiting room. Your co-host can share content, and your co-host can control meeting settings. As a co-host, they won't be able to end the meeting, but they can manage all aspects of the meeting except for the final meeting controls, like leaving the meeting. If you want to remove co-host privileges from a participant, let's say the person don't overdo. What that means is if the person is doing more than necessary, or you just don't want the person to be there, just open the participant list again. It's going to take you to this window. Then hover over the co-host name and click the three dots next to your name and select remove as co-host. Even you as the host leave the meeting. Even if you rather as the host leave the meeting, the co-host will retain their privileges for the remainder of the session. So if you need to reassign the co-host role to someone else, just follow the steps that I have shown you. And that's it. That's how you can easily add and manage co-hosting Google Meet, whether you are organizing a large team meeting, conducting a class, or collaborating with others. Co-hosts are a way to share responsibilities and keep things running smoothly. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.